conversion of one system of unit to another. There I told you whatever we did so far, it is very simple one. That is how we have converted 1 Newton to what is a dyne, okay, and joule to erg. Like that simple ones we have done, because you know there why I told simple here is because you have idea here about which unit is to be converted. See, MKS system to CGS system in both the cases. So you have very clear idea about MKS also, and you have a very clear idea about CGS system also. So it is very easy for you to convert. Okay, once you know the concept, how to convert, the formula is ready, everything is ready, so you can very easily apply it. But there are some cases. See, now I am going to one sample. I am going to give you now. See, yesterday itself, I think I told you there are some hypothetical units, okay, which is actually not existing in physical world, but just to make you understand how to convert one system to another system. Okay, so just so that you will have a grip, whatever unit is given, whatever system is given, I'll be able to convert it into whatever unit you want. Okay, that grip you will get only by this. See, this is, I told you, there is one unit what is called star unit. You see here, star unit. Actually, there is no such unit, children. But I told you here, see, this is a very the different type of problem. Now we are going to solve. We are going to convert MKS system to star unit, new system of unit, what is called star unit. Okay, the problem goes like this, you see. In a new system of units called a star unit, okay, in the star unit, 1 kilogram star, that is equal to 10 kg. You see, there is no such unit. I'm telling once again, repeating. 1 kilogram star, that is equal to 10 kilogram. 1 meter star, that is nothing but 1 kilogram. Okay, 1 kilometer. That is equal to kilometer. 1 meter star, that is equal to 1 kilometer. Right? It is 1 kilometer. I have to write. Okay. Therefore, and 1 second star, that is equal to 1 minute. Okay. These are all the data given. Now, new unit. What is the new unit? 1 kilogram star is equal to 10 kilogram. 1 meter star is equal to 1 kilometer. And 1 star, that is equal to 1 minute. What will be the value of 1 joule of energy in the new system? In the new system. Very, very important. You see this, if you are able to solve like this, you know, wow, it is very easy. The conversion of one system to another system is very, very easy for you. Okay, right. Well, we will see now. What are all the things given? See, 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram star, that is equal to 10 kilogram. Right. Let me have one more. Okay, 1 kilogram star, that is equal to 10 kilograms. Right, it is given. Then next one, 1 meter star, that is equal to 1 kilometer. And 1 second star, that is equal to 1 minute. Okay. Now, therefore, you are asked to find what is that? Therefore, what is 1 joule? I am asked, see, what is 1 joule is the MKS system or SI system of unit. And I want 1 joule to be converted into how many joule star? Correct? How many joule star? So I have to convert it. That is my question. How many? Okay. Therefore, now what is given as first step? Okay. It is given very clearly. It is energy. Therefore, what is the diamond? Is it clear, children, up to this, whether it is clear what we are going to do? Is it clear? Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we are going to do? Energy. Dimension of energy. Okay. What is dimension of energy? Can you tell me, any one of you?
M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2.
Okay. T power minus 2. Right. Okay. Therefore, what is then next step? What is that? I told you step by step. Don't check, so that it will be easy. What is A? Next step. A is equal to
1.
A is equal to 1. B that is equal to 2.
2.
And C that is equal to minus 2. That is also ready now. Are you following? Right. Next one. What are all the given M1? What is M1? M1 that is equal to 1 kilogram.
kg.
Yeah. What is L1? 1 meter. That is MKS, no, our system. And what is T1? 1 second. Are you following, children? Is it clear? Right. Therefore, what is M2 therefore? What is M2? Which unit you have to convert? 1 kilogram.
Gram.
Grama.
Gram.
1 kilogram.
Star.
Star. It is
1
not.
kilogram star.
It is okay. So far we were doing like that. CG, okay, MKS to CGS. Now it is new. Okay. So L2 that is equal to kya hai? 1 meter star.
And that is 10 grams.
Yema? T2.
And M2 is equal to 10 kilograms.
Yes, I'm not able to understand. M2?
Ma'am,
M2
M1 is equal
10
to
kilogram
10
star.
kilogram.
Yeah, that is okay. But M2 is kilogram star. That's it. It is a unit. After that, how they are related, that we will see afterwards. It is given. Okay. Here it is kilogram. In the star unit, it's kilogram star. But how kilogram star and kilogram are related, that is given. That we are going to use it. But here, unit for mass in the new system is kilogram star. Hope you are following, children. Is it clear? But how are they related is given. 1 kilogram star is equal to 10 kilogram. That we are going to use it in the formula afterwards. Hope you are doing. See, you know, if it is meter, centimeter means well known. Okay, meter. How you are 10 power? See here, it is meter means it is 100 centimeter. So you know that. But here the relation is known. But here relation is not known. That is why the data is given. 1 kilogram star. You should not blink. You know that is why 1 kilogram star is nothing but 10 kilogram. 1 meter star is equal to 1 kilometer. Wow, what is that? 1 kilometer. And 1 star that is equal. 1 second star is equal to 1 minute. It is given. Are you following the data? The relation between two system of unit, fundamental units are given. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Yes,
Then
ma'am,
T2.
in L2 it's kilometer, ma'am.
Meter star, ma. Meter star. See here, kilogram star, meter star, second star. It is the unit for mass, length, and time in star unit. In star unit. Is it clear? See, star unit, na. See, MKS unit mein, what is the unit for mass? Tell me.
Kg.
Oh. What is the unit for length?
Meter.
Meter.
Meter. Is it clear? Meter. What is the unit for time?
Second.
CGS unit mein, what is for mass?
Centimeter. Gram.
Mass. Gram. Okay, length.
Centimeter.
Okay, time.
Second.
Got it? Okay. Now, what is in star unit? What is the unit for mass?
kg star.
That's it. Kilogram star. What is the unit for length?
Meter star.
Okay. Then what is the unit for time?
Second star.
That is why we are putting here. Are you following? 1 second star. Hope you are following, children. Okay. Is it clear? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear? Therefore, M2. It is nothing but the unit I am writing. M1 by M2. M2 that is equal to what is that? What is your M2 here? M2 is equal to 1 kilogram, and L2 is equal to 1 meter, and T2 is equal to meter star, and T2 is equal to 1 second star. Right? That's it.
Ma'am, then L1 should be kilometer, right?
Yeah. Wait, 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Therefore, now listen. Okay. Right. Now, if you want, listen, whether up to this, I think it is clear. Whether it is clear? Whether it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, wait. 1 kilogram star. What is 1 kilogram star? Now, we will come to that. 1 kilogram star, that is equal to, what is 10 kilogram na? Given na? Given?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Understand properly. Okay. This is okay. 1 kilogram star, that is equal to 10 kilogram. Right. Okay. Therefore, what is 1 kilogram? I want to convert. What is 1 kilogram? That is equal to 1 by 10 kilogram star. Are you following? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What am I doing here? I am converting. Now I have converted 1 kilogram is equal to 1 by 10 kilogram star. Okay, have it, because we are going to use it afterwards. Okay, then what else is given now? Next one, 1 meter star is equal to, listen carefully children, that is why I told you, that is equal to 1 kilometer na. इसमें दिया है से, correct? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want kilometer. I want to convert L1 meter here. Okay, because it is joule. Joule means 1 joule. That is equal to kilogram.
Meter square.
L square T power minus 2 kilogram meter square second power. Okay. Joule. So I want everything in, what is that? Mass in kilogram, meter, length in meter, and time in second only. So that is why, but here it is given 1 meter star is equal to 1 kilometer. I don't want in kilometer. I want in meter. Therefore, let it be 1000 meter. 1000 meter. Are you following? That is nothing but 10 power 3 meter. 10 power 3 meter. Are you following, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, what is 1 meter? Therefore, 1 divided by 10 power 3 meter star. Meter star. Are you following? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, ma,
Yes,
1
ma'am.
meter 10 power 3 meter. इसमें 1 meter is equal 1 by 10 power 3 meter star है ना? Following?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why I'm going very slow, children. Next one. What is given? 1 second star क्या होता है इसमें? 1 second star. That is equal to 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute means that is equal to, but I want only in seconds now. Are you following, children? Have it. See,
Yes, ma'am.
I need to convert 1 joule to a new system. Okay, 1 joule means kilogram meter squared per second squared. So I want everything only to be, what is that? It is given in kilometer, meter star in kilometer, but I want meter star and meter how they are related. Kilogram star and kilogram how they are related. Are you following? Like that, second star. Second star is nothing but 1 minute में तो 60 seconds है ना? Okay. Therefore, what I want? 1 second is equal to 1 by
60.
60.
Star.
1 by 60 second star.
That is it. Hope you are following.
60 seconds.
Hope you are following now. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Once you have converted, everything is ready for us. Okay, what is that? So now you have to go for the formula. What is the formula? What is the formula? N2, that is
N2
equal
equals to N1
into M1.
M1 by
M2, the whole
raised to the
power
power
A.
A.
L1 by L2
N1 by
power
N2
B.
raised to the power B.
Yeah. Then T1 by T2.
Raised to the power C.
That's it. Okay. Is it clear? Now you have to substitute. Ready made. That is why I have made everything here. N1. N1 is nothing but 1 na? इसमें था N1 क्या होता है इसमें? We have not written here. 1 joule only. No, therefore N1 that is equal to 1. But N2 only you have to find out. Correct? Are you following? Now, convert 1 joule of energy into new system. Therefore N1 is 1. N2 is equal to what? Okay. Therefore, now I think it is very easy one. And tell me now what is M1? What is M1? Kilogram. Correct? M1 is kilogram only, yeah? Children.
Yes, ma'am.
Kilogram. Kilogram star hai na? Are you following? M2 is kilogram star. Therefore, okay, kilogram divided by kilogram star. Whole power. ये क्या होता है इसमें? 1.
1.
Right?
1.
Right. Then what is L1? L1 is meter na? Divided by
Kilometer.
Meter star.
एक करो 1 1. That is understood 1 1. Okay, that is just meter means it's 1 meter. Right. वो power क्या होता है इसमें? 2. Correct? Then what is T1? T1 is second. What is T2?
Second star.
Second star.
Power
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
2. Are you following, children? Hope up to this is whether you are able to follow this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, therefore now only you have to go for changing. Okay, there see therefore 1 that is equal to 1 kilogram and kilogram star. What is 1 kilogram? The relation. That is why I asked you to make this. This is meant only to find out what is the relation between kilogram and kilogram star. They have given 1 kilogram star is equal to 10 kilogram. Therefore 1 kilogram is equal to 1 by 10 kilogram star hai na? Okay na? Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, I told you clearly how to numerator unit should be studied into in terms of denominator unit. So far, we did like that only, yesterday's class. Same thing. Here, kilogram, you have to convert kilogram to kilogram star. Therefore, how many? That is 1 by kitna hai? 1 by 10 kilogram star divided by kilogram star. Yeah. Yes, ma. Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can't we convert the
Convert?
1 kilogram star into 1 kilogram star, the denominator? Can't we convert denominator?
No. Why? Because you want N2. You want in the new unit N2, no? New unit, the
Yes,
number
ma'am.
is N2. That is why. So you're converting everything in terms of the new unit. Because you want N2, new unit, numeral you want. Hope you're following, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Next, that is very important. Otherwise, everything will go wrong. Okay, so you want new unit. Okay, new unit number in new unit. Therefore, everything should be converted in terms of new unit. Okay, length,
Yes, ma'am.
everything. Okay, right. Now, what is mass? What is length here? Length
Length.
is kitna hai? 1 meter is equal to 1 by 10 power 3 meter. 10 power 3 meter star na. Therefore,
Yes,
1
ma'am.
into 1 by 10 power 3 meter star. Okay? Divided by?
1 by 10 is
Divided by?
Meter star.
Meter star.
meter
star.
star.
Okay, I'll give you one homework today with this. Let me see how you are doing. Okay, is it clear? Right, next one. Now it is second. So far, we even when you are converting MKS to CGS, there is no problem. Second, both are second, so you won't even bother about that time. But here, there is a lot of change. What is that? What is second in terms of second star? 1 by
1
60.
by
60
by 60 second
second
star.
1 by 60.
Also has relevance now. Therefore, you cannot leave just like that here. 1 by 60 second star. Got it? Divided by kya hai second star?
Second star.
Okay, what is the minus?
minus 2.
1 by
Minus
star
2.
Okay, whether you have understood this is very important. This is what is you have converted. Okay, got it? This is
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have converted joule, kilogram, meter, second to kilogram star, meter star, second star. Okay, right. Now this will go, everything, these will go. What is remaining here?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
2, that is equal to 1 by 10. Na? Whatever is left, 1 by 10 power 6. Correct? 10 3 square, na?
I'm 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Are you following? I may be wrong. Don't see. You have to be alert. You have to be alert. Correct? Whether it is correct?
I'm
Ma'am,
10 to the power
1
3.
power 3.
3 whole square कहाँ गया है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Correct, ma'am.
Square is there?
Correct, ma'am.
So that is why. Okay. Next into. Okay.
Ma'am, 3 का square 9 होता है ना?
3 squared. 3 power.
Power 3 into 2.
Ah.
Ma'am, 3 power 2
3 into
9.
Isha. Isha has
Ma'am,
asked
3 into 3.
3 into 3. 10 power. Powers में multiply करना है यार.
Ma'am, it's 3 into 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These and all I can.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not yes, ma'am, as ma'am. Yeah, see, very bad. If you are asking this question, your 11th standard, if you are asking this question, really, I'm shocked. Okay, right. Therefore, you people are taking mathematics very nicely. Okay, 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 power 6 into 1 by 60 the whole power minus 2, na? Are you following? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 2 is equal to. Therefore, 10 power 6, 10, therefore 10 power 7 हो जाएगा ना? है ना? Into,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
into 60 power minus 2 ऊपर आने से 60 square. Isha? 60 square ना? Therefore, 1 by 10 power 7.
Yes, ma'am.
3,600. है ना? 60 square.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Therefore, N2 that is equal to कितना है? 330
Yes, ma'am.
36 into 10 power 2 into 10 power ऊपर आने से 10 power minus 7. I am waiting for your response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes,
Done.
ma'am.
36 into
10 to the power minus
10
5.
to the power minus 5.
10 to minus 4.
minus 5.
minus 5. 36 and 10 power minus 5. Correct? Are you
5.
following it?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 3.6.
Ma'am,
3.6 into 10 to power minus 4.
of course. You can write like this also. That is nothing but 36 and 10 power minus 5.
Ma'am, is it necessary to represent in 3.6 36?
ऐसे तो नहीं है. You are as long as this is correct, it is fine. 36 and 10 power minus 5 is fine. Okay. That is nothing but 3.6 and 10 power minus 4. No. Okay. You people are
Yes, ma'am.
then you should not ask this question. Okay, N2 is equal to 36 and 10 power minus 5. Got it?
72.
Innama?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या है
Ma'am,
यार?
72.
कैसे 72 आएगा यार?
Ma'am, -5. Ma'am, we can push -5 into denominator, ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am, and 5 and 2, ma'am.
what? Denominator में करने से 36 divided by 10 power 5. कैसे 72 आएगा? My
Sorry,
dear
ma'am.
child. My dear child. Okay. So 36 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. Got it. Therefore, N2
Yes,
is now found out. What we want is N2 only. Correct? Therefore, how to give now? N1. Therefore, Q N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2 na. Therefore, what is 1 joule? That is equal to N2 क्या है? 3.336 or 3.6, whatever you want, but power has to be very clearly noted. 36 into 10 power 5 joule star or new unit, star unit. Got it? This we got. 1 joule, that is equal to 36 into 10 power minus 5 joule star. Understood? Still there is any
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
any problem in understanding this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
to what, ma'am? What?
Emma? Somebody asked what? It's just now somebody asked some question. What is that? Okay, right. Because you let us go to the next one.
also used to convert like this only, no?
Powers? Power. I'm not able to understand. What do you want? Tell me, ma. Clearly you tell me. I'm here to clarify. 1 joule is equal to this. What is your query now? Tell me. Who is it? Who asked me a question now? Right, I'll go back. I don't want to waste my time. Okay. See, you have to see, because I'm not able to, you cannot play with this. But tell me, what is your problem? What is your question? Otherwise, you tell, no, madam, I have understood. Right. Let me go to the next one. It's very bad. Because I am asking you to, what is that? I am very much concerned for your understanding. Okay, you cannot be clear with your question at least. Let me go to the next one then. Let me go to the next term.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay, right, next one. Okay, next application. Okay, checking the correctness of the equation. I told you there are 3 applications. Number 1 is conversion of one system to another system. Number 2, checking the correctness of the equation. Number 3, what is that?
Deriving formula for physical quantities.
Deriving formula for physical quantities.
Right? Now we are dealing with second one now. First, conversion of one system to other system is over. Okay, so it is hereafter it is your duty. You have to solve so many problems. I'll be giving some homework. Okay, so try to solve it. Okay, and how many of you have not submitted your previous one? All have submitted. Still, I have seen yesterday. Okay, only 14 assignments. 14 have to submit. Okay, so since many days, nearly about more than I think 1 week over. But still you have not submitted. Okay, so don't be like this, that's all. Checking the correctness of the equation. Now check the correctness of the relation T is equal to 2 pi into root of L by G, where L is the length, T is the time period of the simple pendulum, and G is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, very simple. See here, what concept you have to use here is, say, checking the correctness of the equation. Dimensionally, I told you this we are doing dimensionally whether it is correct. One equation means there will be one LHS and RHS. Okay, so you have to see whether the dimension of LHS and the dimension of RHS both are same. If both are same means you are equating length to length. Same physical quantity you are equating. You are equating length to length, mass to mass, velocity to velocity, frequency to frequency, wavelength to wavelength. You cannot equate wavelength to frequency. You cannot equate mass to time. Okay, because they're completely different quantities. So our job is whether LHS and RHS are having the same unit, don't the same dimension. Don't bother about the numerals and all. Okay, like that, if you want to add two quantities, two things, for example, 3 meter can be added to. Okay, you can, if at all you want 3 centimeter, you can add. Okay, therefore that can be done. I think you are able to understand. Therefore, it is nothing but 303 centimeter. Are you following? Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 5
Yes,
meter to 6 meter, you can. That is equal to 10 meter. But unit here, say 3 meter, 3 centimeter. That you can add. Why? Because both belong to the same physical quantity. So there is no problem. Only thing you have to convert. Convert any one in the other form. See, a centimeter, meter can add, otherwise meter to centimeter. Only then you can add. You cannot add that 3 meter plus 3 centimeter is nothing but 6 centimeter. You cannot say like that. You cannot say that it is 6 meter. That is also wrong. But before doing, you have to convert 1 centimeter to meter or meter to centimeter. Then your answer will be correct, right? Okay. But if I am asking you to add 6 seconds plus 4 kilogram, whether there is any sense in it?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Definitely no. Correct? So this is not possible. Okay, you cannot. It is nonsense. You cannot add two physical quantity. If you are adding, means both should have the same units. Okay, same dimension. Only then you can add. You cannot add two different physical quantities. Okay, 6 seconds plus 5 meter. No meaning. Okay, that is why. So these things you have to take into consideration. So if you are adding two quantities, means both the quantities should be of same dimension. If you are subtracting, like the same thing, subtraction also, you cannot subtract 3 kilogram. See, very important, 3 kilogram minus 5 meter. No sense. Okay, so if you are adding two physical quantities, both should have same unit, same dimension. If you are subtracting one from the other, then both should have the same physical quantity. But multiplication, division, that can be, you can. But adding and subtraction, you cannot. Okay, or both should be of same physical quantity. These are all the main, very important, points that you have to keep in mind. Okay, now with this, let us go. This is very simple, very simple. See, we are asked to check the correctness of the equation. What is the equation? T, that is equal to 2 pi into root of L by G. Okay, now what you have to do is, what is the LHS? LHS your dimension, applying dimension. Applying dimensions both sides. You are applying now. Apply karo. What is the dimension? LHS ka?
T.
Therefore capital T. Correct? Therefore LHS both sides. First LHS. LHS, that is nothing but T. Okay. LHS is T na. What is the time? Therefore capital T. What is for RHS, you tell me?
T only, ma'am.
RHS 2 pi into root of L by G. This way the 2 pi is a constant, doesn't have any constants. You don't have dimension. Okay. But L and G are having dimension, no? So can I, what is L?
L.
Capital L.
What is G?
L by T square.
Therefore L T power minus 2 hai na?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore L and L will go. Okay. that is nothing but root of t squared हो जाएगा. Correct? T power minus
Yes, ma'am.
ऊपर आने से.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is nothing but t. Correct? That
Yes,
is
Yes, ma'am.
it is nothing but don't bother about that numerals also 2 pi and all. Okay, just you see only the physical quantities, apply the what are all the physical quantities, you apply the dimension and see whether LHS dimension is equal to RHS dimension. Therefore, I think dimension of LHS and RHS are same now. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so dimension of LHS, a dimension, therefore dimension of LHS that is equal to RHS. Correct? Therefore, the given equation is dimensionally correct. Why I am taking dimensionally correct? Very important. Why? If I listen, this is a very exact equation only. T is equal to 2 pi into root L by G. That is correct. Okay, 100% correct equation. If they are giving the equation like that, okay, 5 into root of L by G. Okay, that time also it is dimensionally correct only now, because we are not going to use this 2 pi and 5 here. Are you following, children? Why I am very much insisting?
Yes, ma'am.
Here it is 2 pi. If they are giving, check the equation, dimension T is equal to 5 into root of L by G. That time also I am going to say it is correct. Why? Because LHS dimension is equal to RHS dimension. But the equation, if you see, dimensionally both are correct. Only you are asked to do. But this 5, if you are replacing this 5 by 5, but the dimension cannot even find out whether it is correct or not. Number is correct or not. The constant value is involved now. Whether it is correct or not, dimension doesn't have any say on it. Are you following? So whether it is 2 pi, whether it is 5, whether it is 10, whether it is 5 pi, whether it is 100 pi, dimension will be keeping quiet. Okay, I don't bother about these things. I will see only whether the dimension of LHS is equal to dimension of RHS. That is why you have to give here the given equation is dimensionally correct. That's all. Are you following? Is it clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am shouting here in the sitting in the room, you know, because as if I am taking in the class. Anyhow, so next one, the rate of flow, very, very important. See, this is the rate of flow V of a liquid through a pipe of radius R, okay, under a pressure gradient P by L is given by V is equal to pi by 8, okay, P R power 4 eta L. Okay, therefore, how to find it out? Very simple. See, here you are given one formula is given, that is one equation is given, and you are asked to find whether it is dimensionally correct. Okay, therefore, what to do for this? See, rate of flow. What do you mean by rate of flow? Can you say what do you mean by rate of flow? Any idea?
With respect to
Rate
time.
of flow. Yeah. Therefore, what is it is nothing but with respect to time. Rate of flow. Flow per second. Rate of flow means what is that? The volume of the liquid. Actually, what is V means here? It is the volume of the liquid flowing per second. Rate of flow of the liquid means what is that? Rate of flow. First, you have to understand. Otherwise, you cannot check it properly because the dimension. आपको तो V का dimension चाहिए ना? Rate of flow is only given by V. What is rate of flow? Rate of flow of liquid. That you should have an idea. Rate of flow of the liquid, okay, is nothing but volume of liquid flowing per second. Are you following? Is it clear? Therefore, can you give the, so now what is asked? First, I will tell you the rate of flow V of the liquid through a pipe of radius R, okay, Under a pressure gradient P by, I think I told you gradient in the previous class. Velocity gradient means V by L. Change in velocity with respect to distance. Okay, like that here, pressure gradient means what is that? Change in pressure with respect to length. That is P by L. Okay, pressure gradient. Right, is given by V, that is equal to pi by 8. Okay, P r power 4 divided by eta L. Eta, it is called eta. This is what is called eta. Eta L. Where eta is a coefficient of viscosity of the liquid. That you will be learning afterwards. Okay. But I will give you coefficient of viscosity of the liquid for checking both the side. You should have the dimension for V. Okay, P, R, eta, L, everything is required now. You should have an idea about it. Therefore, you should have an idea of a dimension of eta also. Okay, therefore, what is eta? What is the dimension for eta? Eta is nothing but, okay, I will give you the given. It will be given, if at all, if it is new term, eta, the dimension for eta is coefficient of viscosity is given as, let me give you dimension for eta is given in the problem. Yeah. You will be studying this in next chapters. Okay. Therefore, m L power minus 1, T power minus 1. That is given because you don't have idea. All the other things I think you know. Pressure, you have idea. Pressure gradient means P by L. R is nothing but the radius of the pipe through which the liquid is flowing. And V is nothing but rate of flow of liquid. That is volume of the liquid flowing per second. So everything is given. Now, what you have to do, you have to check whether this equation is correct. Dimensionally correct. Okay. Therefore, what you have to do. Yeah.
Ma'am, what is meant by pressure gradient, ma'am?
Pressure gradient, I told you just now. Velocity gradient means change in velocity divided by length. Change in velocity with respect to length. If there is some change with respect to time means rate. Rate of change of velocity, V minus U by T. That is nothing but acceleration. I think you have idea.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Divided by time means rate of change of velocity. Okay. Why? Velocity is changing here with respect to time. But same change, change in velocity with respect to length, distance. With respect to distance. Therefore, V, initial velocity at a certain distances when L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0 is U. And final when L is equal to L. L is equal to L. Okay. It has traveled. The body has traveled certain distance. Okay. At the start, its initial velocity that is equal to U. And after traveling a distance L, its velocity becomes V. Are you following? I am not taking the time into consideration here. I am taking the distance covered into consideration. Therefore, here, there is some change in the velocity. What is the change in velocity? V minus U. But with respect to what? With respect to the distance L. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
In that case,
Yes, ma'am.
this is what is called velocity gradient. Change in velocity with respect to distance.
Length.
Then
Distance.
gradient. Like that, pressure gradient means what is that? Change in pressure with respect to length of the pipe. L. L is the length of the pipe. Here, pipe, through pipe only the water is going now. Okay, liquid is going now. Therefore, change in pressure with respect to the length of the pipe through which the liquid is flowing. That is what is called pressure gradient. Are you following, children? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Now, shall we go for solving it? Okay. What is the dimension of LHS? Tell me. Dimension. Okay, let me use some other dimension of LHS. When do you have your CS class? Next class?
Ma'am, 11:20.
Okay. V. What is the dimension for V? What is V? Volume of the liquid flowing per
L cube.
second. Per second. Volume. That is why L cube don't say. Volume of the liquid flowing per second. That is volume per second. It is rate of flow, na? Are you following? Rate of flow means volume
Yes,
flowing
ma'am.
per second. Therefore, volume per second. Volume per second मोने क्या होता है इसका unit dimension?
L cube by T.
L
T power minus 1.
L
Got
cube
it?
by T.
That is L cube by T power minus 1 na?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Right. So LHS, you know. Now go for dimension of RHS now. RHS में pi by 8 का छोड़ दो because it is a constant. P R power 4 pi by 8 is there, but pi by 8 doesn't have any dimension. Therefore, now you tell me P. What is P?
MLT minus 2.
MLT?
Ma'am, ML power
Minus-
minus 1, T power minus 2, ma'am.
L power minus 1, T power minus 2. This yesterday we have done. Okay. L power minus 1, T power minus 2. What is pressure? Force per area. Force per area. What is force? Pressure is nothing but force per area. Force क्या होता है? L T power minus 2. Area L squared. Therefore, L power minus 1, T power minus 2. Got it? Right. Into R. R means L power.
L power 4.
I am going very slow. Even now, if you are having like this, no problem then. Okay. Eta. Eta. What is eta? L power minus 1, T power minus 1. Therefore, L power minus 1, T power minus 1. Okay. Into L. L के लिए तो L. Correct? Got it. Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yum. Okay. L power minus 1, L power minus 1. Okay. L, it will become 3. T power minus 1, T power minus 2. Therefore, what is this?
L cube T minus 1.
That's it. Correct? Therefore, dimension of RHS is equal to dimension of LHS. Na? है ना? Therefore, LHS that is equal to RHS. How? Dimensionally. Okay. Therefore, the formula is dimensionally correct. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, RHS again, ma'am.
RHS pi by 8 P R power 4 by eta L na? P. What is P? P is pressure. It is given. All the physical quantities, what they meant actually is given. Okay. So, therefore, pi P A power 4 P by L is a pressure gradient diya hai. Pressure gradient. Therefore, P is pressure, L is a length. Pressure gradient. Okay. So, P is nothing but pressure. Pressure means F by A. Therefore, how to find out? Force is L T power minus 2 divided by area is L squared. Therefore, you will be getting for pressure L power minus 1 T power minus 2. So, I have substituted in the place of pressure. I have given the dimension of pressure here. Hannah? Right.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
one, R. R is nothing but radius. Radius means length. Therefore, L power 4. Diana? Divided by eta. Eta kato, they have given the value. Why? Because you don't have the idea. L power minus 1, T power minus 1 is eta, coefficient of viscosity. So, viscous, depending on how viscous the liquid is. For finding that, the measure is coefficient of viscosity. Okay. So, for that, L power minus 1, T power minus 1 is given. Right? And if it is not given also, you have an idea. L power minus 1, T power minus 1. Next one is L. L is here. See? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is L. Okay. Therefore, now if you this will go. After that, if you simplify, then you will be getting L cube T power minus 1. Therefore, LH is here also L cube T power minus 1. Here also L cube T power minus 1. RH is therefore both are dimensionally correct. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Got, ma'am.
Yeah. Shall we go to the next one? Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then next one you see. Yeah. This is a different type of problem. See, third. write the dimension of A and B by using whatever your knowledge you have now. Okay, with that you have to apply here to solve this problem. See, write the dimensions of A and B in the relation P is equal to B minus X squared divided by AT, where P is the power. P is the power, X is the distance, and T is the time. Okay, therefore, how to find out? See, you are given P is equal to B minus X squared by AT. Okay, therefore, listen, very, very important here is LHS is, what is the dimension for LHS?
Ma'am, M1 L2 T minus 3.
LHS. That is nothing but P, not pressure. P is not pressure, it is power. Power means, what is power? Power, what is the power?
Work done by time.
M1 L2 T minus 3.
M L square T power minus 2 is work done. Correct? Divided by time. Are you following? Is it clear? Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, now you tell me what is your, therefore that is a power, right? Now, what you have to do is, that is power, that is equal to M, L squared, T power minus 3 and T power minus 3. Are you following, children? Is it clear? Power. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That is known. Now what you have to do is, see, B minus X squared. Okay, we say the B minus X squared. So what is the dimension for B minus X squared? I am subtracting, okay, X squared from B. Correct? Are you following? I am subtracting X squared from B. How can I? But X is nothing but what? Distance. X squared is nothing but distance squared. Correct? Are you following? X squared का dimension क्या होता है? Dimension for X squared.
L square.
L squared. Because distance squared. L squared. Okay. So I am subtracting X squared from B. So I told you that's why I can subtract mass from mass. I can subtract length from length. I cannot subtract the time from length. Correct? Okay. Therefore, use that concept. Therefore, what is the dimension for B?
B is equals to L square.
That is it. Got it? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
that is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
I am subtracting X squared from B means B should have the same dimension as X squared. Okay, therefore B dimension is okay, right? Now you go to, so B dimension is fine. Therefore, but you have to find out the dimension of A also, na? Okay, for that, dimension of, listen, dimension of, okay, A, for finding dimension of A. For finding dimension of A, you know PAT. PAT, that is equal to B minus X squared, na? PAT is equal to B minus X squared. Correct? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, what you want is dimension for A only. Correct? Therefore, A that is equal to B minus X squared divided by PT, Hannah.
Yes, ma'am.
So formula now you know. Therefore, what is the dimension? Therefore, dimension of A. A, that is nothing but B minus X squared का dimension क्या होता है यार?
L square.
L squared. Correct?
L square.
Divided by P power
L square
T
T
power
minus 1.
T minus 1 na?
-3.
Minus
-3, ma'am.
-3. Okay. Then T. P into T na T ka T. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So L
Yes,
squared,
ma'am.
L squared will go. Okay. What is there? Therefore, that is equal to M ka upar le आना. Therefore, M power -1. Correct? L is there is no L power 0 हो जाएगा फिर, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
T power minus
Yes, ma'am.
T. Therefore, T power -2. नीचे तो T power -2 ना? Why? T power -3 into T. Therefore, T power -2. Okay? ऊपर ले
Yes,
आने
ma'am.
से T squared. T squared. Is it clear? So this is the dimension for what? A. What? Following.
Ma'am, if they ask find A by B, then we have to divide that.
That's A by B. Okay, find the dimension for A by B. Therefore, A का क्या है? L squared. हाँ, A का क्या है? B का L squared ना? A का क्या है? हाँ,
M minus 1 L0 T to the power
T squared. Divided by B. L squared.
L square.
M power -1, L power -2, T squared. That's it. Got it? You can find out A and by B, A into B, A squared by B, A by B cube, whatever you want, you can. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go to the next one? Okay. In the van der Waals equation, P plus A by V squared into V minus B is equal to RT. What are the dimensions of A and B? Where P is the pressure, V is the volume, T is the temperature, G is the gas constant. Okay. So you are asked to find out what is the dimension for what is the A and B. Very simple. Very simple. What is the dimension here? Dimension. Very easily, first one. Dimension of V minus B. क्या होता है?
L cube.
L cube. Correct? Therefore, is it clear? L cube. Okay. Right. Therefore, what? Therefore, what is the dimension of B?
B is equals to L cube.
B, dimension of B, that is L cube. Correct? Are you following? Are you following? So very easily you have. That is nothing but if you want, you can even M power 0, L cube, T power 0. Correct? Next one. Next one, what you have to find out? P plus A by V squared. Dimension of P plus A by V squared should be equal to P क्या होता है? Pressure. P plus A by V squared, what should be the dimension? I have added pressure with I have to add pressure only with the
ml power -1 T power -2 pressure.
I am asking you. I have to add pressure only with the pressure. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Pressure
Yes,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
only with pressure. Pressure cannot be added with the length. Hope you're following. How many times I told you? Therefore, this has to be the unit for pressure. P plus A by V square should have the same unit dimension as pressure. Correct? Correct?
Yes,
Therefore,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
give me what is the dimension for pressure? M.
M L square L to the power -1 T minus 2.
T minus 2. Correct? Are you following? Therefore, dimension of A by V squared should also be equal to M L power -1 T power -2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore,
Yes, ma'am.
dimension of what you want, dimension of A only you want. Correct? A that is equal to what? M L power minus 1 T power minus 2 into dimension of V squared. Correct? Because A by V squared is only pressure dimension. But I want only for A. Therefore, dimension of A is equal to the pressure is M L power minus 1 T power minus 2 into dimension of, what is that? That is not, is it clear? That is nothing but dimension of A divided by V squared. Dimension of A divided by dimension of V squared should be equal to the dimension of pressure. Okay. Therefore, dimension of V squared क्या होता है?
L cube to the power 2.
Wow. Okay. Therefore, dimension of A, that is equal to M, okay, L power minus 1 T power minus 2 into L power 6. Correct? Okay. And that is
Yes, ma'am.
M L power 5 T power minus 2. M L power 5 T power minus 2. M power 1. M means M power 1. Is it clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is it. Because I thought of going to the next also deriving the formula, but it's difficult. Okay. So we'll see in the next class. Okay. Shall we stop here?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
What? What?
Ma'am, I didn't understand from dimension of A by V square.
Dimension of A by V squared should be equal to dimension of pressure. Why? I told you, if I am adding A by V squared with the pressure, A by V squared ka dimension should also be that of pressure. I think I have explained very nicely, I feel. 3 meter can be added to 3 meter, only 5 meter, 10 meter, whatever is that.
Yes, ma'am,
Understood now. How many times? Therefore, dimension of A by V squared should be that of dimension of pressure. Whether it is understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, pressure ka dimension is M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Dimension of A by V squared should be equal to dimension of pressure, that is M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Okay, na? Now, but I want dimension of A only. Okay. Therefore, the pressure dimension M L power minus 1 T power minus 2 is already there. वो तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके V स्क्वायर्ड उधर जाने से V स्क्वायर्ड का डायमेंशन V is nothing but volume. Volume is L cube. Therefore, V squared ka, what is a L power 6? Correct? V squared dimension is L power 6. Are you following? Therefore,
Yes, ma'am.
A is nothing but dimension of P already there into dimension of V squared. Dimension of V squared is L power 6. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, dimension of P here into dimension of V squared is L power 6. Now you consolidate. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.